On my 1K a day journey and my pathway to millions endeavor, I figured that it'd be important for me to get into the mental of people who have attained success and attained wealth and try to implement what they've done in their life, in my life, so I can get there. So I did a little bit of digging, watching videos, reading, and I found that there are three major things that people with wealth implement in their lives that we can definitely do too to get to that exact same level of success. So here's three things that wealthy people know that we don't. But before we get into it, I'm Zara with Hustle From Home Inc. And if you like the videos and my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. So the first thing that wealthy people know that we don't is that time is most important. So we all have personal resources, I guess, that we can utilize. So your money, your education, your energy, and then you have time. So you can do so many things to get more money, to get more energy, to learn more, but you can never get more time. A lot of us, including me, personally thought that money is the most important resource because you can't do anything without money, but that's not true. Because if you utilize your time right, then there's so much that you can accomplish that helps you get money to get where you want to be. So money isn't everything, and there's so much you can do without having money per se. Another thing and big value of time is taking time to recharge yourself. So you're working hard, you're doing the most, you're trying to get to where you want to be, and you're exerting yourself. But you need to take time out to recharge yourself. And a lot of times we see wealthy people going on vacation, staying at their vacay house or their rich friend's vacay house. It's like a perk of just being rich. You have friends with nice houses. You can just say, "Oh, Luann, can I stay at your Hilton Head house?" So they go and they take time to recharge themselves. And when they do that, they're able to come back into the real world and work hard again. They don't just go and take vacation because they can. They take it because they need it. And even though we don't have that exact wealth that you would say someone rich does, you still deserve to take time to recharge yourself. Second thing is, your money can work for you. This is something that I definitely wish I knew a few years back. So what a lot of wealthy people do is put their money to work. And why not? They do this by investing in real estate, stocks, other businesses, even by loaning out their money and charging high interest rates. Not like mafia loan sharks, but it's something that you can do to make your money work for you. After I graduated college, I had a pretty comfy job. I was comfy. I had a nice place, and I was making a good amount of money to where I can save, and I could have invested. I could have probably even gotten my own home. I could have done a lot with that money. But I was immature, silly, and frankly just dumb. I would get a paycheck, go splurging on tons of clothes and drinks at the bars and going out, traveling, which I don't regret traveling. But when I look back, all the money that I spent and made, I had nothing to show for it. So I definitely wish that I would have known to make my money work for me. And another key is just don't let all the money leave your account. Especially don't let like a lot of money leave your account, more money leave your account than what is coming in. That's just the first rule, I think, for anyone. I think that's something that everybody just knows. But just in case you didn't, then yeah. And my last and final thing that wealthy people know that we don't is never ask for permission. Don't wait for someone to give you the green light to do something. Just do it. I always say it's better to ask for forgiveness than ask for permission. I've been like this since I was little. I was rotten, so whatever. But it's easier to ask for someone to forgive you for something than to ask for permission because you never know what that answer might be. Now, the way that I began to look at life is, if I want something and I want to accomplish something or get something, then I'm going to just go out and grab it. I don't care what anyone has to say about it. I'm just going to do it. Because you can't wait for someone to just walk up to you and place the lifestyle, the money, the dreams, all of that into your lap. I mean, unless you want to be like a sugar baby, then hey, turn up, sis. But you honestly, and that may not even work, you honestly just can't wait for someone to place that into your lap. You have to go out and get it. I wanted a staffing agency. I wanted to be able to help people get jobs where they're able to work from home. But I was in the mindset of lack. I don't have enough money. I don't have the resources. So one day something just switched. It was like a light bulb. And I changed my mind. I don't care if I don't have enough money. I don't care if I don't have those resources. I'm going to figure it out step by step. And as I've gone through this journey, everything's just being folded in front of me, folded in front of me. Sometimes I'm failing, sometimes I'm winning. But I'm going out and getting it and not asking for permission or for someone to place something in my lap. In closing, it's fine that we don't have all the money that we want and desire yet because it's on the way. So what we're going to need to start doing is acting like the people that have the wealth that we want to attain. The first step into manifesting anything that you want is to start acting as if you already have it. So why not act like we are wealthy? Let's go ahead and not ask for permission to accomplish our goals. Let's make sure we invest our money properly and do all the things that we need to do to attain wealth. So I'm going to go ahead and personally practice these wealthy habits, and I hope you guys do too. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like button. Remember to subscribe and leave a comment down below.